Hello everybody, Miss Abate here. All right guys, so today we're going to move on to a new skill, okay? We're going to be learning about something called prefixes. Say that with me, prefix. Very good. Okay, so some of you guys might be thinking, what is a prefix? Okay, so we're going to get into that, and how we're going to start this lesson is by watching a brain pop video. Okay, so I know that you guys know that I like showing brain pops because they're just a little bit more exciting. You guys don't get to have to listen to me talk. It's got some nice visuals for you. So we're going to go ahead and start by watching, like I said, a brain pop to teach us about that word prefix. Okay, so what I want from you guys right now is I just need your listening ears on and your watching eyes on. Okay, our hands and our body are nice and still, so that way we can really get the full experience learning this lesson today. All right, so if you guys are ready, I'm going to go ahead and press play. Here we go.
Just add one more to the top. It's okay, Moby. We can rebuild it. What are prefixes? A prefix is a letter or a group of letters that is attached to the beginning of a word to change its meaning.
All right, so let's pause right here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and read the definition again, and then I want you guys to read it with me, okay? But first, listen to me as I reread what a prefix is. A prefix is a letter or a group of letters that is attached to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. All right, so I want you guys to go ahead and say it with me on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. A prefix is a letter or a group of letters that is attached to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Very good. Now let's keep listening and let's listen for examples of prefixes.
Well, in the word rebuild, the root word is build. The prefix re means again. So rebuild means to build again. When you rewrite something, you write it over again. When you replant a flower, you plant it again.
So again, I want to pause right here. So it just gave us a few examples of prefixes. Now in this word right here, replant, do you guys see the re in front of plant? Yes, and it told us that re means again, okay? So what the brain pop is doing right now is giving you examples and telling you what the new word means. So for example, when you replant a flower, that means you plant the flower again. Okay, let's keep listening.
The prefix miss means wrong or badly. So misspell means to spell incorrectly. People misbehave when they mistreat others.
So do you guys see that? So we're working with those root words again. Okay, now we've worked on root words before, and we talked about inflected endings, right? Adding ed or ing to the end of words. So we have words like behave. I know all of you guys know what that means, right? To behave means to act in a proper or good way or right way. So if we add just these letters MIS to the beginning of it, it means like not. So if you misbehave, you are not behaving, right? Mistreat. So mistreat means you are not treating others, okay? So we know that the word mistreat can mean you're not doing things the correct way, or you're not being kind to others, okay? So I want you guys to see that we're taking just these beginning letters and adding them to root words, and then it's completely changing what that word means. Okay.
Cool. Here's superstar. The prefix super can emphasize a meaning of a word or make it greater. Prefixes can change the meaning of a word. What prefixes give a word an opposite meaning? In the word unsafe, the root word is safe, but the prefix un means not. So unsafe means not safe. This cake has unequal slices. It's unlucky if your ice cream falls. Unwrap a gift. The prefix dis also means not. You might dislike something or disagree with someone. Pinocchio's nose grew when he was dishonest. I can think of other prefixes that give the root word an opposite meaning. The prefixes ill, m, n, usually mean not. Illegal means not legal. Impossible means not possible. Inconsiderate means not considerate. Irresponsible means not responsible. What prefixes describe a matter?
All right. So we are going to pause right there, boys and girls, with the brain pops. It's going to move into something that we're not quite ready to move into yet. All right. So we just learned about quite a few prefixes, right? And remember, prefixes are a group of letters added to the beginning of a root word to change its meaning, okay? So I just want to focus on two prefixes with you guys right now. So what I need for you guys is to make sure you have something to write with and something to write on, okay? So if you don't have that, please pause the video and get that done now. If you do have it, let's move on. First, you're just going to set that off to the side. You're just going to watch me, okay? You're just going to set your pencil or piece of paper, whatever that is that you have, off to the side, and you're just going to watch and listen first, okay? So I want to focus on these two prefixes. We have, re and un, okay? If you remember, the prefix re was the first one that we talked about in Brain Pop. Do you remember what re means? It means again, okay? It means again. What about un? Do you remember what that means? It means not. Okay. So we're going to do some practice with figuring out the meaning of words with just these two prefixes, because like I said, we just learned about a lot of them. So I want to make sure that we are just, getting a small little bit of practice with just two of them. Okay, not overwhelming ourselves, right? So what I want you guys to do is I want you to write these words down with me that I'm about to do. All right, so we're going to start with the word rewrite. Rewrite. Okay. So what does rewrite mean? Well, we know that re means again. So rewrite means write again. If I say you need to rewrite your work, that wasn't your best effort, I'm going to tell you that you need to do that again. You need to write your paper again. Oh, I just drew on my pants. So write again. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. Write again. Okay. The other one I want us to work on, unlike. Unlike. The book I read was unlike any other. So what does un mean? That prefix un, it means not. So it is not like the others that I have seen or read. Not like. Sorry, I know I kind of just smushed that together. I do apologize. Not like. Very good. Let's do one more, okay? How about we do Review. Review. So the umpires are going to review the play. They are going to review the play. What does review mean? They are going to view it again. So they're going to see it, they're going to watch it again. View again. Very good. Okay. I'm going to erase my board, well, parts of it, and I'm now going to do the opposite. So instead of giving you a word with a prefix and you figuring out what the prefix or what that new word means, I'm going to give you the definition and then you're going to have to tell me what the new word is. So watch, okay? So if I say your new word means to build again. So if I say your new word is to build again, what is that word? Which one means again? Re. So we know that it goes before build because again is the same thing as re. So it's not going to be re again. Doesn't make sense, right? What is it? Build. So rebuild. See? So I'm just using these prefixes. So build again, right? Again means re. So I'm just taking out that again and we're adding it to the beginning of the word, which is build. Okay. I'm going to say your new word, it means not safe. Not safe. So I want you to try and write down what the new word is with the prefix. Which one of these means not? And then add it to the beginning of the root word, which is safe. So what's our new word? Unsafe. Very good. Okay, do one more. Ready? Your word means not healthy. Not healthy. Like cake is not healthy for you. So what is the new word that means not healthy? Again, which prefix means not? And add it to the beginning of the root word, which is healthy. What is your new word? Unhealthy. Very good. Unhealthy. Okay, so you guys just did a fabulous job learning about prefixes. Check in with our next video to do a little bit more practice, and I'll see you guys next time.